Hello, my name is Felicita Santiago. As I mentioned before, I am a UPK teacher. I came across this interesting, I could say, school. Welcome to the new online elementary and middle school learning programs for kids ages 8 to 3 called Adventure Academy. I found it interesting because as I was looking through it, it has a lot to do with the class that I'm taking now. Hold on, it says, an Eclipse learning adventure awaits. You're invited to join the ranks of young schoolers at Adventure Academy, a fully impressive rival universe for those seeking knowledge and adventure from the team that bought your AB molds. Join in the adventures with your friends. Kid friendly, as you can see. It has lots and lots of things for kids to do. Discover knowledge, adventure, quizzes, and more. Reading. It gives children opportunity to embrace themselves in our expressive curriculum, to gain essential skills in reading, writing, and language development. Main idea and key details, comprehension, writing, spelling, and much more. Math. It gives kids the opportunity to improve math skills by doing activities and mathematical operation, fractions, word problems, and more. Multiplication and division, geometry, fractions and divisions, word problems, and much more. Decimals, sorry. Science and more. It shows kids how to be creative by their own interests. Keyword interest as a UPK teacher, that's what I focus on is kids' interests. Create your own adventures with customized features. Customized features, which I see that some of my classmates did in class. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to participate, but it seemed interesting. And this is what our kids are doing as well. Create and customize your home. They're able to create homes and customize them using their own imagination. They're able to explore the marketplace, educational games, video, puzzles, and much more. Access hundreds of hours of educational activities, teaching essential skills in math, language, art, science, and social studies, and more. These are all the fun things that our children will be doing while they're online and being creative and learning at the same time. Start your adventure today. Here's another interesting I want to say ad that I came across. 6 hands-on center ideas for using technology in pre-K and kindergarten. Here's an iPad. The children are outside. Students around the world are joining together for a global climate strike, and their signs are everywhere. So, adding technology to a preschool or kindergarten classroom is always a little bit tricky. It's always a little bit tricky because for the simple fact that we aren't really allowed to use it, but we try to add it as much as possible. Recycle old tech in your play center. So these are old cell phones that children are able to have a basic idea of how to use technology. So when they get older, they are able to manipulate the computer as much as possible and be creative. So children pretend old phones are smartphones and use them to take pictures and see texts. Model good tech habits for children. That's always important to model good. Combine technology and activity outdoor time. So you can combine outdoor play with technology. And here's how we can do that. You could take the phone, you can take pictures of interesting things that we see outside, and we can discuss it when we go in the classroom. Technology doesn't always have to be a bad thing or a way of parents getting away for their kid for them from their kids. Choose apps that help children build and create. My favorite thing for kids to do is create. Children love to build and create. It's why the Black Corner and Art Center are always two of the most popular places in our classroom. We can create technology program where the primary focus is also building and creating. It's choosing, it's all in choosing the right apps and programs for your devices. This is a wonderful website that I thought it was very interesting. A preschool's artwork from an open-ended writing app on the iPad is a drawing of what she planned to build with a Kinex building toys. Very interesting. Create a take-apart center where kids can explore like engineers. There is always no shortage of technology castaways with a community that has become absurd with having the latest and greatest new technology toy. And here's one of my favorite. Encourage kids to collaborate with tech. And here are some of the other websites that teachers can go on if they wish to. Thank you everyone for watching.